Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Instagram search not working. First of all, go ahead and restart Instagram. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen, find Instagram and then swipe it away. Next, you're going to go to your app store, search for Instagram and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. Now if that does not work, open your settings, search for Safari, scroll down, look for clear history and website, then click clear history. Now go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then switch between networks. Try finding the stable list network, or also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it rules out network issues. Next, if in the last, just go ahead and restart your iPhone. Safety tip: be careful searching banded terms, they can limit features. Quick fix: log out and back in, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.